Hello everyone, welcome to Hosted's new video. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to transport your email using G Suite. You know better about G Suite, it's provided by Google. If you're using cPanel for your hosting, to manage your hosting, you can use G Suite Cube easily by updating very few little things in your cPanel. It's a very simple thing. To do that, you have to go to your cPanel first, and in the search box, you have to type keyword DNS. If you type keyword DNS, then it shows two things. One is Zone Editor, and there is Dynamic DNS. You just go for Zone Editor. And for mail transporting, inside the Zone Editor, you will get the domain list in your cPanel. If I want to add G Suite for my verlib.com, so I'm clicking on manage and click on this menu, that is MX. MX is responsible to transport incoming and outgoing mails. You see here is an entry. It's a very simple entry. If I click on edit, you can see the entries. One is name, another is TTL, another is type, what is actually the MX type, and the priority is 0 and destination is verlib.com. So currently I am using cPanel's provided webmail mail service. Now I am going to change it to G Suite. So I need to delete this entry to stop using webmail to send and receive mail from verlib.com. It's not very difficult, just delete this entry from your DNS records. And you see there is no MX tab. You need to add G Suite MX entries here. To do that, you can get help from Google support page. I will give you the link of this article for Google MX records for your mail transporting MX entries, or you can search in Google. Here is 5 entries you see in this table. Here is 5 entries. I'm going to add this 5 entry in my cPanel zone editor. All of them are record type is MX, so I have to add MX record. To do that, here is a button is add record in your cPanel DNS zone. You can click this down arrow and add directly MX record here. You see a new entry is showing. You need to add this entry here. First of all, I am going to copy this and paste here, and the priority is 1. You see here is the priority is 1. So add the record. Same steps here to do for these 4 entries too. Check this. I'm going to add a DNS, that is for 5. Priority should be 5. Add records, then try add this. Just this one also 5. You see this one is also 5. Another entry for 10. Add another entry for priority 10. Another entry is for 10. So priority is 10 and server name, server record is this. So if you click here, then you see 5 entries are entered properly. You see, and match with Google support page. I'll give you the link in my description box. You can check this and match your entries. No more entry required if you want to transport your email through G Suite. I already purchased G Suite from Google. You can do that from Google. The thing is that in Hostware also provide G Suite service with less price than the Google provided price because we are registered reseller with Google. So you can buy G Suite from Hostware in less price than google.com. So hope you understand. That's it. These 5 entries will update within 4 hours and your email transport will work with your G Suite. So you need to wait for 4 hours to update the DNS. Thank you very much. Bye bye.